Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're checking out the Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle with 3 batteries. One of the most exciting drones to hit the market for creators who want something beyond traditional aerial footage. So, is this drone really worth buying? What do all those impressive numbers actually mean in real-world flying? And why is everyone talking about its immersive flying experience? Let's find out. The first thing that makes the Antigravity A1 stand out is its groundbreaking 8K 360-degree camera system. Instead of pointing the camera in just one direction, this drone captures everything around it in stunning 8K resolution at up to 30 frames per second. It also captures incredibly detailed 55-megapixel photos, giving you plenty of room to crop, zoom, or reframe your shots later without worrying about missing the perfect angle. Whether you're filming travel videos, outdoor adventures, sports, or cinematic landscapes, you can literally fly first and decide your camera angle afterward. That's a huge advantage for content creators. Flying the A1 feels completely different from a traditional drone thanks to its point-to-fly motion controller and immersive vision goggles. Instead of learning complicated joystick controls, you simply point where you want the drone to go, creating a much more natural flying experience. Combined with real-time FPV viewing, it feels like you're sitting inside the drone while it flies through the air. This unique approach makes aerial filmmaking incredibly engaging while still remaining intuitive for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Performance is equally impressive. The drone weighs only 249 grams, making it lightweight, portable, and easy to carry almost anywhere. Its foldable design slips easily into a backpack, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Despite the compact size, it delivers a maximum flight range of up to 10 kilometers and reaches speeds of approximately 16 meters per second or nearly 36 miles per hour. Wind resistance up to 10.7 meters per second also helps maintain stable flight in more challenging outdoor conditions. Battery life is another major highlight. Each intelligent flight battery delivers up to 24 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. And since this Explorer bundle includes 3 batteries plus a charging hub, you can enjoy extended shooting sessions with minimal downtime. Whether you're filming multiple locations in one day or spending hours creating content, the extra batteries make a noticeable difference. Safety features are designed to give pilots extra confidence as well. The A1 includes forward and downward obstacle avoidance with infrared enhancement, smart auto return, payload detection, GPS, Beidou, and Galileo positioning systems, plus advanced deep track subject tracking that helps keep moving subjects centered while you focus on capturing creative footage. These intelligent features make complex aerial shots much easier to achieve. Another standout feature is automatic editing. After your flight, the companion software can automatically generate polished videos using AI editing tools, dramatically reducing editing time while still giving you complete freedom to reframe your 360-degree footage exactly the way you want. For creators who regularly produce social media videos or YouTube content, that's a huge time saver. Inside the Explorer bundle, you receive the Antigravity A1 drone, vision goggles, grip motion controller, 3 flight batteries, charging hub, spare propellers, carrying case, sling bag, and other useful accessories that make it a complete ready-to-fly package right out of the box. So, is the Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle worth buying? If you're looking for one of the most innovative consumer drones available today, offering immersive FPV flight, incredible 8K 360-degree recording, intelligent tracking, long-range performance, and effortless content creation, this drone delivers an experience that's unlike anything else currently available. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.